Why does it feel like no matter how hard you try, you're just bad with money? You forget bills. You impulse buy random stuff. And somehow, your money just disappears. And after a while, you start thinking, maybe I'm just irresponsible. But what if that's completely wrong? You're not bad with money. You've just been using systems that were never designed for your brain. ADHD makes things like planning, staying organized, and controlling impulses way harder. And in the moment, your brain just wants one thing. This is something called the wanting mind. It always thinks the next thing will make you feel better. With ADHD, that loop is even stronger. So it's not that you're bad with money. You've just been fighting your brain, instead of working with it. What if you had a system that handled money automatically, reduced impulse spending, and actually worked with ADHD? In the next video, I'll show you the exact ADHD money system that fixes this. In the next video I'll show you a way which doesn't use a spreadsheet. It uses buckets.